Hey everyone, it's Bella from mergerdata.com, and today I'm going to show you a new feature in Tableau that came out with Tableau 2023.1. It's called Dynamic Access Titles. So I've already set up my data visualization here, and we can see that as I change the metric, the data changes to reflect that specific metric. And the only thing that doesn't change is the access title on the left-hand side. So in order to change that, I'm going to right click on the access, click edit access, and under access titles, it's set to custom right now, but I want to change that to metric. We can see that the access title is now reflective of the data in the visualization. So if we change it to sales, the access title changes to sales, and same thing for discount. And this can help your company with data visualizations for your data.